Hi, my name's Mike with Southwire, and today we're going to be discussing our new RVer toolkit. Our RVer toolkit is the EM-KIT, and these tools and items that were selected for this kit are designed for you, the RVer, whether you know electronics or have no technical background. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this kit. When we open our kit, the first thing you're going to see is the unit comes with a Southwire compact pocket knife. We all know we need knives when we're out RVing to be able to open up items, be able to cut little things off. This pocket knife is a great tool for you to have at your campsite. In addition to that, Southwire's included our 9-in-1 multi-tool screwdriver. Our 9-in-1 screwdriver has changeable bits along with nut drivers, and most importantly for the RV, the number 2 square bit screw bit. As we know, all RVs have thousands of number 2 square bits. This tool, along with our 7-in-1 multi-tool, will help solve a majority of the problems that you encounter while you're RVing. These tools are designed to be able to get the minor repairs done at the campsite so you can go on and keep enjoying the great outdoors. This 7-in-1 includes cutters, wire strippers, needle nose pliers, and regular pliers, along with crimpers for those electrical connections. Speaking of electrical connections, our multimeter is a great tool that every RVer needs. This allows you to make sure you have good electrical connections, both on the AC and DC side. The DC side allows you to test your battery along with fuses, whereas the AC side allows you to test the pedestal power as well as any residential electrical connection. With the multimeter, you of course have your test probes that connect to the device. We include electrical tape for you to be able to, as you make those repairs, make sure that they're secure and tight, as well as use this electrical tape to get unneeded cords up out of the way. Southwire also includes cable ties and fuse selection for your RV. In addition to that, you also have a headlamp to be able to illuminate your pathway and be able to clearly see the repairs that you're conducting. For more information about our RVer toolkit, please go to southwire.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.